Rodrigo Duterte.
Bongga. Duterte pa rin. Grabe talaga. What? Kahit anong masabi niyo sa kanya, ayaw niyo sa kanya, this man, Rodrigo Duterte, has a charisma that is unparalleled. Pero ang charisma niya sa masa, hindi sa elite.
Opo.
I think he came at a time when the Filipinos were so tired of elitist politicians. Also, that we've never had a president from Mindanao in a long time. Because Rojas was from the Visayas, right? Osmeña was also from the Visayas. So ang feeling ng mga tao na Mindanao is left out. I think up to now, they still feel that way. Pero si Rodrigo Duterte, makita mo fatalistic itong tao. If there's one word I can say about Digong, we were mayor together. And that's how we met before. Because I was president of the League of Cities. The League of Cities. He's fatalistic. Nung nandun siya na sa Villamor, no, he was really trying to compose himself. Na parang, que sera. And if this is gonna happen, I'm gonna do this with dignity. Fatalistic siya. Which, pag fatalistic ang tao, you cannot do him a lot of harm. You know, emotionally and all that. Kasi, he knows his fate.
Ma'am, tingin niyo mapapauwi pa po siya?
I don't think so. Kailangan talagang tapusin yung kaso. Hindi yung motion nila na house arrest siya. I don't think that will be granted. But again, Filipino politics God forbid. Pag namatay si Digong, President Digong sa Hague, panalo na si Sara. Pag nakauwi naman, panalo din si Sara.